Ito yung kanina sinasabi ko na nag-consolidate sila ng mga questions. Ito yung ilan na babasahin ko. Question: what does this mean for my role? Yung pinakita kong new structure. Due to the proposed, ito yung sagot. Due to the proposed changes, your role may be at risk of redundancy. Nako po, eto na. So hi guys and welcome to my channel once again. This is your Papa Piggy. For today's video guys, magkakaroon kami ng meeting dun sa trabaho namin and I don't know kung anong agenda. I just got received email from the general manager about this meeting. So I think may relation ito dun sa new government guidelines about the present situation now here in United Kingdom about this, the pandemic thing. So it will affect all the business, lalo na yung mga nasa hospitality business like hotel na pinagtatrabahuhan ko. So I think this is the reason why kaya siya nagpatawag ng meeting. So I don't know if I can bring my camera with me. Anyway, mamaya i-update ko kayo kung anong mapapag-usapan sa meeting. Just a summary of what happened here dito sa personal kong buhay dito sa England. Nag-lockdown kami last March and then we just reopen only last September 7. So imagine yung haba ng panahon na walang trabaho. And we open only September 7. Nung nag-reopen, medyo pumipick up yung business. In one day, they can sell out of 50 rooms na meron yung hotel, they can sell more than 30. And maganda simula. But then, ngayon, hindi maganda yung nangyayari. Imagine yesterday, they only sold one room out of 50. So it's bad for the business. Siguro that's the reason why kung bakit magpapatawag ng meeting yung boss ko. So anyway, I will update you later kung ano mangyayari sa mapapagbitingan. So yan ang ating ganap for today and titingnan natin kung meron pa tayong may dadagdag. So I will see you later guys. So let's go guys. It's about 15 minutes drive papunta dun sa hotel na pinagtatrabahuhan ko. So andito na tayo guys. Punta lang muna ako sa loob ng hotel. I will see you later guys. So guys, andito tayo ngayon. Pagkatapos ng meeting, andito tayo pumunta sa McDonald's. Actually, hindi meeting yung nangyari. Bali ang nangyari, pagpunta namin doon, may mga nakaset na nagsalita muna yung general manager. And then she mentioned what the present situation has done to the business, which is really bad. So pagdating namin doon, of course may mga question na kailangang sagutin ng mga taga personal department. So I believe yung nag-distribute ng mga papel is from personal department. Bali ang nangyari, kinonsolidate na lang yung mga possible questions at kung saan kinonsolidate siya and then sinagot nila. Bali binigyan na lang kami ng printed copy. So para basahin namin. And then binigyan kami ng letter naka-address sa bawat isa sa amin. Lahat ng naandon binigyan ng letter. So hindi ko alam kung pare-pareho ang laman ng letter. So anyway, it could be a redundancy or depende sa role mo sa hotel. Kung mariredundant ka siguro. Anyway, sana hindi. Dahil kawawa naman yung mga empleyado. Anyway, bago ko buksan yung kung anong laman ng letter na yon, kakain muna ako, baka mawala ako sa mood. Iba na yung nakakakain bago ako mawala sa mood. Eto na guys, pasensya muna guys at kakain muna ako kasi hindi pa ako nagbe-breakfast. So as I mentioned kanina, nagbigay lang sila ng mga papel dun sa meeting. So ito yung binigay niya, bagong company structure. So ito yung mga possible na mangyari. Ito yung kanina sinasabi ko na nag-consolidate sila ng mga questions. Ito yung ilan na babasahin ko. Question: what does this mean for my role? Yung pinakita kong new structure. Due to the proposed, ito yung sagot. Due to the proposed changes, your role may be at risk of redundancy. Nako po, ito na. Or a variation to your contract, which means dependent on the outcome of consultation. Your role may not exist in the future structure, or you may be working less hours. So may option pa rin. The next is for us to consult with you on a one-to-one basis. This involves listening to your views on the proposal and considering any counter proposals that you may have to avoid or mitigate the effects of the proposed redundancies or variation of terms. So nakakalungkot. Ito, may tanong dito. How will my redundancy payment be calculated? Just in case na ma-redundant ka. You will be entitled to statutory redundancy payment if you have a minimum of 2 years continuous service. This is calculated based on your age and service at a specific date. So yun, at least may magtatanong kung paano kinukumpute yung redundancy. Ay nako, ano ba ito? Ito importante ito. I-share ko lang guys yung mga ilang question na sa tingin ko importante. How will you decide if my role is redundancy or if I will have a variation in my contract? Answer: we have reviewed the present structure and would like to propose a new structure which considers the future trading environment and help us to survive. We are proposing we move to a new structure which we have given you a copy. Yun na nga yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. We have reviewed all roles and contractual hours of every employee within each department. For some, there will be no changes to existing roles and hours. However, unfortunately, there are several roles that will have reduced hours, and there may be some roles that are at risk of redundancy. So yun. Ay nako guys, malungkot na balita ito. Question: if I am made redundant, when do I finish receiving furlough pay? Sa ngayon po kasi tumatanggap kami ng furlough pay from the government. Ngayong October, ang alam ko hanggang ngayong October lang. So again, question: if I am made redundant, when do I finish receiving furlough pay? Answer: while working or working any notice period, you would still be eligible for flexi furlough up until the scheme end on 31st of October. O yun na. After this time, you will be eligible for pay via the new job support scheme provided you meet the eligibility criteria. Yun. Ito importante sa huli. Question: what support will I receive? Answer: should you leave the business due to redundancy, we are currently investigating opportunities to help support you. You will also be afforded reasonable time off to look for alternative employment. attend interviews should you need to. You are also able to use the employee assistance program provided by Westfield Health. This allows you to access free guidance in relation to medical, legal or domestic issue. All provided by experienced counselor. Kaya unang ituloy. Now, yung binigay na letter, nasabi ko kanina. So, eto na guys, binuksan ko na siya. Ang laman ng kahon, eto na. Ang nakalagay dito, basahin ko lang ha. Dear Charles, I write following the business update on 20th October 2020 at yung lugar na pinagtatrabahuhan ko, where you were informed about the current situation we face at yung business. As proposed, we are looking at restructuring the current team, which may result in variation in your contract of employment. Ang sinabi, which may result in a variation in your contract of employment. Walang sinabing redundancy. Nakalagay dito, I would like to invite you to attend an individual meeting to discuss this matter on the date and time stated below. So binigyan ako ng date, eto na yung 1-to-1 na binanggit dun sa binasa ko kanina. So yun lang, kailangan ko lang umattend ng 1-to-1 meeting. Andito yung date and andito yung place kung saan gaganapin. Whew. So ayun. So nakalagay malinaw, may result in variation in your contract of employment. So hindi ko alam kung ang na-receive ko ay kapareho din ng mga na-receive ng iba kong mga kasamahan. So nakakalungkot. Can you imagine, nag-shutdown yung business, temporary shutdown last week of March, and then we reopen only just September 7, and then eto na naman, because of the present situation, medyo tumataas na naman yung bilang ng mga, alam nyo na. So ito yung effect nya. Okay guys, so yun ang balita ko sa inyo. So hanggang dito na lang guys, and I will see you again sa next vlog. Bye for now.